Imagine a universe where the tiniest events don't just surprise us, they defy prediction itself. But here's the real twist. What if the deepest layer of reality is powered by pure randomness? And if the universe is built on uncertainty, what does that mean for us? Here's what random really means in quantum physics. When we say random, we usually mean I don't know the pattern yet. But quantum randomness is different. It's not ignorance. It's not hidden information. It's fundamental unpredictability. At the quantum scale, particles don't have fixed positions or outcomes until they're measured. An electron doesn't decide where it is. It exists in a cloud of possibilities, mathematically real, physically meaningful, but not determined. When we measure it, reality snaps into place, but the result is truly unpredictable. Why quantum events can't be predicted? Classical physics is like a clock, predictable, mechanical, reliable. Quantum physics is like a coin that doesn't flip until you look at it. And even then, the outcome isn't determined by any hidden mechanism. Experiments have tested this again and again. Bell tests, photon entanglement, and randomness certification experiments all point to the same conclusion. Quantum events don't follow hidden rules. They are inherently unpredictable. This isn't chaos. It's not noise. It's a built-in feature of the universe. How do we harness quantum randomness? Here's the beautiful part. We've learned to use this unpredictability. Quantum random number generators, QRNGs, capture the randomness of photons, electrons, or vacuum fluctuations to create numbers no hacker can predict. This powers ultra-secure encryption, financial security systems, national defense communication, cutting-edge scientific simulations, even some online gaming fairness systems. Quantum randomness is a gold standard of unpredictability, pure, unforgeable, and impossible to reverse engineer. Here's why this matters for the future. As our world becomes more digital, randomness becomes a form of power. Predictable systems can be hacked. Predictable patterns can be exploited. But quantum randomness gives us something new, security rooted in the laws of physics themselves. It's the foundation for quantum-safe communication, next-generation cryptography, and technologies we haven't even imagined yet. Quantum randomness shows us that uncertainty isn't a flaw in the universe. It's part of its design. And maybe, just maybe, unpredictability is what allows creativity, evolution, and possibility to exist at all. So here's the question. If the universe itself is built on uncertainty, what beautiful possibilities in your life might only appear when you stop trying to predict everything?